In today's video, I'll show you how to add your Hostinger business email into Gmail. This beginner-friendly guide only takes a few minutes, and by the end, all your business emails will appear directly inside your Gmail inbox. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. At the top right corner, click the login button and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on your hPanel dashboard, the control center for your hosting and email services. Inside hPanel, look for the email section. Click Select your email plan. If you haven't already activated one, choose a plan that fits your business needs before continuing. Now, open Gmail in a new browser tab. At the top right, click the gear icon and select See All Settings. Then go to the Accounts and Import tab. Under the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add a Mail Account. A pop-up window will appear. Enter your Hostinger business email address and continue. Choose the POP3 option for retrieving mail. Then enter your full email address, username, password, and the Hostinger mail server details. Double check everything before clicking Add Account. For better organization, you can assign a label to all emails coming from this account. This way, you'll instantly recognize your business emails inside Gmail. And that's it. You've added your Hostinger business email into Gmail. Now, all your messages are centralized, making it easier to manage multiple accounts from one inbox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.